I got this watercolor kits for $9 only. Today I'm gonna do a rainbow skin tone with it. Welcome to Cute Girl's illustration. Let's get started. I did a rough and light draft beforehand to save time. Now I'm adding more details by drawing harder strokes. First I'm contouring her eyes, then I'm drawing her eyeballs and eyelashes. Then her nose and eyebrows. Lastly, her lips, chin, and hair. I really love the ribbon hairstyle. It makes the girl so cute and elegant, so I'm drawing one for her. Okay, it's coloring time. I'm adding a thin layer of water on her face so the colors can spread and blend in properly. First, I'm mixing the reddish tones for her skin with red, orange, and earthy yellow. So it looks red, but it's not 100% pure red. I'm adding it to her under eyes, nose, and chin. That's where her skin is the thinnest. Then I'm mixing the two yellowish tones for her under eye to create the second layer of rainbow skin tone. Then I'm mixing the two green tones for her third layer of the rainbow. Then the blues for the last layer. Ooh, look at this! I'm blending them together. I'm also adding a bit of cool tones such as blue and black for her neck to create the shadows. This is optional, but if you want the shadows to blend out naturally, you can also add earthy yellow after the shadows to create a graded shadow. I hope you're enjoying this video, and if you like this, please give me a like and subscribe for more. I love you all, cuties!
You know just what you do to me. Play my emotions like a pair of puppet strings. Did it ever occur to you my heart's more than a toy? Please go easy on me, babe. Send message after message, forward my calls. Next day you hit me back like nothing happened at all. What about all the things you used to say to me? This ain't the way it's supposed to be. And you know I wouldn't do that to you. You know